multilingual Salesforce case. In this demo, we'll be demonstrating a support agent communicating with a customer over Salesforce case, where the agent is emailing in English and the customer is emailing in Spanish. To use Language I/O's email translation within Salesforce, we'll begin by navigating to the Salesforce home screen. Click into the Service Console case section where the agent manages email conversations with customers. On the customer side, the user types out a support ticket and submits. Back to the agent's perspective. They will click into the new case that has just arrived. Then they select the LIO Translations tab to begin their multilingual conversation. Here we can see the email body in the description section and the subject in the subject section. In this example, there is a language barrier and the agent does not understand the subject line, so they decide to translate it. The agent clicks Translate, at which point the text is translated using the best engine selected for the language pair. The agent also has the option to do a partial translation of the email for scenarios where the email body contains a long history of past communications, or in cases where the signature line contains a lot of legalese and disclaimers in a language that is different from the main body. The agent clicks Partial, highlights the text they want to translate, and clicks the Translate button. If the agent finds any translation to be unclear, they have the option to retranslate, sending the translation to the next translation engine in line. If the translation is still unclear after that, the agent has the option to flag the translation for further quality improvements. Once the agent understands the context of the email, they navigate back to the Feed section where they can reply to the customer. The agent has the option to either type out a custom message or use one of the pre-translated quick texts or templates. Once the reply is finalized, the agent has the option to use default machine translation or submit the message for rapid human translation if a more sophisticated translation is required. Once selected, the agent clicks Translate. The message is now translated into the customer's language. Once the agent clicks Send, the translated message is sent to the customer. For privacy, none of the information exchanged is stored by Language I/O. On the customer side, we see the reply from the agent translated into the customer's native language. Any email conversation can then be reviewed by navigating to the Report section. There, to generate a new report, enter the Customer Support Report tab. You will see a new report called Case Translation. Review transcripts in both agents' and customers' native languages here. Finally, you can export and share with your team if you'd like. For more information on Language I/O's solution for Salesforce Case, reach out to us to connect with an expert or get a live demo.